Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is something a little bit different. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I thought it was so sweet and so classy. A few days ago, not that long ago, only a couple days ago, Serena Williams put out a message on her Instagram and it said that she wanted to ask what your S stands for. So on her regular page, Serena Williams, she put out, we asked our community at Serena to share what their S stands for today. And they need no further explanation. You are seen and heard. I see you. I hear you. There is so much power in speaking your story, in writing it, in sharing it. I love you all, Serena. That was amazing. That was about 3 days ago that she put that message out. But she put on her regular, her fashion page actually, which is just at Serena, if you want to go follow it. It has like all of her fashion stuff because she started a fashion line, and she has this really cute pin that she was giving away. So she's giving this pin away, and she says, the only thing that she asks is that you share what your S stands for. So once you clicked on the link, it led you to a purchase page where you didn't have to pay anything. You didn't have to pay any shipping. You didn't have to pay anything. It was just straight out free. And then I can't believe I got it just a few days later. So I just wanted to share this unboxing with you. I thought it was really amazing and give her a shout out. Yeah, it's really cute, as you can see. It has a nice weight to it. It came in this really nice packaging. When you first open it up, it has a card that says you're awesome. And then on the back it says thank you for your purchase, even though obviously it wasn't a purchase because we didn't have to pay anything, not even shipping. I hope every piece makes you feel special. So that's the card, and then it has her signature on it, and then it has this beautiful, beautiful pen and this cute packaging. And then I just wanted to add too from my Instagram that I went over to her Instagram so that I can share with you some of the things that people said, because they were very, very touching, especially with what's going on today and for, the longest time. People not feeling heard, women, men, the whole thing. But yeah, just take time to read through these. They were amazing if you're not following her already. So you may not have had a chance to see them. Yeah, but I just wanted to say thank you to Serena Williams. She may not ever see this, but I just wanted to share with my community how amazing she makes people feel without even knowing them. And it was a really sweet thing to do. I hope you guys have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video.